Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. So I'm back again after a few days of break. So to get started, we will start analyzing Nifty and Bank Nifty on multiple time frames using our curved trend lines also. And today I will try to show you and teach you what is a trend and how you can identify a trend. So let's get started. As you can see, this is a Bank Nifty. This is a Nifty chart, Nifty 50 chart on TradingView, and this is a daily time frame. Okay, so basically to understand what is a trend, okay, if you want to know what is a trend, let me open up a paintbrush. So okay, so there are two types of trends. One is uptrend and there is downtrend. Okay, uptrend, downtrend. And how do we identify an uptrend? When price makes higher high, this is your higher high, and makes a higher low, then a higher high, then a higher low. We use another pen brush. So this is a higher high and again a higher low. So whenever you draw a trend line, you're always drawing a trend line like this. You're connecting the higher lows and you're connecting the higher highs like this. So this is what is called as a trend. So market is in an uptrend. Okay, so this is how you identify that it is an uptrend or a downtrend. Downtrend, similar fashion, it will make a trend like this. Okay, this is your lower low, this is lower high, lower low and lower high. Okay, so this is clear, this concept is here. Whenever there is a sideways market will tend to have similar highs and lows. So it will be like something like this. Okay, it will not look like this picture perfect. ऐसे पिक्चर परफेक्ट दिखेगा नहीं. कभी ऊपर भी जा सकता है और कभी नीचे भी आ सकता है. सो बट ये मेजर रिवर्सल पॉइंट्स होते हैं जहाँ से मार्केट घूम सकता है. अभी इसको चार्ट पे देखते हैं. Let's see this on a chart, and I will first show you with a normal trend line. Okay, this is a daily chart of Nifty. So this was the high. This high was around 18,604. Okay, from there this was the next high, this was the next high, and this was the next high. If you notice, this was the highest, second highest, third highest on the down. So these are all lower highs. Okay, so now similarly, if you see, this was the lowest low, again lowest low, again there is a lowest low. So this is our normal trend line, just to identify and show you that how you can identify with your naked eye, like how higher highs are forming or higher lows are forming and which trend is the market. So with this you can clearly see that this is in a downtrend as of now. मतलब market downtrend में है. It is making continuously lower lows but here there is a halt of the lower low. So अभी क्या करते हैं, then let's now create a trend line using curved lines. Okay, so you have to connect the first point, then connect the third point. So I will use a curved line like this. Okay, so this is your curve line which is connecting 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. Let's do a curve line for this. This is my first point, this is my second point. Always connect the first and the third points. So you can see this is a curve line which is nicely connecting. So now there is a highest possibility that market can drop from here, or there is a highest possibility that it can break out and make a new higher high. If at all, if it makes a new high which is above this high, ओके मतलब इस हाई के ऊपर अगर मार्केट एक नया हाई बनाता है, so then change in the trend is quite evident. Okay, so note this level 18,086 is a critical level. Abhi now what is the lowest low here? Lowest low was 15,990. Here the lowest low was 15,293. So इस लो से इस लो का कम है. ये 15,671 लो था, फिर नया लो लगाया इसने 15,183 का, तो कम है ना इससे. सो नया लो बना रहा है, ये नया हाई नहीं बना रहा है. सो जैसे ये नया हाई बनाएगा इसके ऊपर, तब जाके मार्केट का ट्रेंड चेंज होता है. अभी नाउ यू कैन सी एट व्हाट इज RSI इज सेइंग. RSI is telling you a different story. Market is making lower highs, right? ड्रॉप हो रहा है, नीचे की तरफ आ रहा है, बट इस RSI को देखिए, यहाँ से आपका RSI जो है ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है. आइडियली जब ये हाई बना, इसका जो RSI होना चाहिए था वो इससे नीचे होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये प्रीवियस हाई का RSI है. इस पॉइंट से इस पॉइंट को अगर मैच करेंगे, सो इट इज सिमिलर. But if you match this high with this point, this is a lower high than this, but RSI is higher than the previous high point of the RSI. तो इससे क्या है, this is called as divergence. यहाँ पे आपको divergence दिख गया RSI का. जो मार्केट यहाँ पर ट्रेंड प्राइस तो बोल रहा है कि मैं नीचे जा रहा हूँ, लोअर ट्रेंड में हूँ, बट RSI आपको स्ट्रेंथ दिखा रहा है, बोल रहा है कि मैं ऊपर जाने वाला हूँ. सो this is at a conflicting zone. यहाँ पे देखिए मार्केट tried going down, but again lot of buying came in. There is a high chance that RSI is right and it can go above this level till this 18,086. Now it will face a lot of resistance here also. It can go up or it can again fail from there and come back. Anything can happen. Okay, so this is what is a broader picture of Nifty right now. If we have to see this on it, for example, if you want to use an indicator called as Bollinger Band, so let's see how it is looking on Bollinger Band पे कैसे दिखता है. So this is your Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band स्ट्रैटेजी को ट्रेड कैसे करना है, दैट आपको कभी भी Bollinger Band के बाहर कोई कैंडल क्लोज होता है, उस टाइम पे आपको शॉर्ट एंट्री लेनी है, और कभी भी लोअर Bollinger Band के नीचे अगर प्राइस क्लोज होता है तो लॉन्ग एंट्री लेनी है, क्योंकि वहाँ से रिवर्सल चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. दिस इज मतलब ये जो है ये मीन डिविएशन है प्राइस का, अपर बैंड और लोअर बैंड. सो ऑब्वियसली ये यहाँ तक ज़्यादा एक्सटेंड हो जाता है तो लगता है कि यहाँ से बाइंग ज़रूर आएगी, बट ये ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट में काम नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट में आपको बोलिंजर बैंड ब्रेक करके ऊपर जाएगा. मैं आपको एक सिंपल बोलिंजर बैंड डाल के दिखाता हूँ. ये आपका बेसिक बोलिंजर बैंड है. जैसे आपको कैंडल नीचे दिखता है तो आप बाय करिए, जैसे बोलिंजर बैंड का हाई टच होता है तो वहाँ से सेल करिए. तो अभी यहाँ पे आपको देखिए, आपको यहाँ पे फर्स्ट कैंडल यहाँ हाई टच हो गया, अगर यहाँ सेल करते तो आपको इमीडिएटली लॉस होता, क्योंकि ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट में क्या होता है कि जब भी ये बोलिंजर बैंड नीचे की तरफ ऐसे डाउन होता है तो समझ जाना कि ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट हो रहा है. अगर उसको रिवर्स करना होता तो ये ऊपर की तरफ जाएगा। ओके, पहले देखिए यहाँ से जो ब्रेकआउट मिला है नैरो रेंज बोलिंजर, यहाँ से आपको बेस्ट ट्रेड्स मिलते हैं। व्हेनेवर यू सी ए नैरो रेंज लाइक दिस, यू विल गेट अ बेस्ट ट्रेड ऑन बोलिंजर बैंड, एंड व्हेन इट breaks out on the upside, this will open up like this and this will also open up like this. Okay, so that way you can understand which is a fake breakout and which is a real breakout. So this way you can continue till this moving average median line is not crossed. Once the median line is crossed, then definitely trend will start changing. So this is on a Bollinger Band. If you want to use this on a daily basis, you can definitely use this, and it's a very good tool, combining with other RSI indicators and everything. But I don't use it. I mostly use price action, which gives me clarity, and whichever makes you feel comfortable, you should use it. And if I look at this on a 15-minute time frame, okay, let's mark the levels here. Let's mark a horizontal line. Okay, this is where price came into this zone, but it was not able to go up, and from there it dropped massively to the bottom. And from where did it reverse? This is the reversal point. Okay, from where this candle's high was taken out. So this becomes a zone for us. This becomes a zone for second drop. See the second drop? The second drop happened into this zone, and then again market push. So it fell like this, boing, then retraced up, then again boing. It didn't make a new low, then jumped up. So if you see Fibonacci retracement, if it is in trend, the retracement should be limited to 38% maximum. But if it retraces more than 38%, crosses 50, crosses 60, then definitely it is not going down further, it is going up from here. So it's a complete V-shaped recovery. Okay, and expect the market to open somewhere here or open even above here on Monday. It could happen. It can be a good sign for us to make an entry. And see, once you mark this level, अभी मैंने किसको मार्क किया? इसको मार्क किया ना सिर्फ. अभी यहाँ देखिए आप 1, 2, 3, 4 पॉइंट आपको मिल गए, एंड इफ यू गो फॉरवर्ड आपको पहले के रेसिस्टेंस पॉइंट्स भी मिल जाएंगे, एंड दिस इज द हाईएस्ट पीक ऑफ द मार्केट. सो यहाँ पे आपको ज़्यादा लेवल नहीं मिलेंगे, बट यहाँ पे जो 4 पॉइंट रेसिस्टेंस जोन्स मिल गए हमको, जहाँ पे पहले तो ये रेसिस्टेंस था, इसको ब्रेक किया उसने, फिर यहाँ से सपोर्ट लिया, थोड़ा ऊपर गया, फिर आया सपोर्ट लिया, फिर सपोर्ट लिया, ऊपर गया, फिर सपोर्ट लिया, ऊपर गया. ओके, सो ये दिस विल गिव यू अ क्लियर पिक्चर व्हाट इज मार्केट डूइंग. सो डोंट बी कंफ्यूज्ड. देयर इज नो perfect rule that if you make an entry like this you will make money. You have to always take risk into account. Anything can happen in the market and your risk has to be defined. So अगर मैं यहाँ पे जाके, मेरे को लगता है यहाँ से एक कैंडल इसने ऐसे बनाया which is a topping tail bar, यहाँ से रिजेक्शन हुआ है, सेकेंड नैरो रेंज कैंडल बनाया, अभी यहाँ तीसरा कैंडल भी नैरो बनाया, अभी मैं बोलूँगा कि यहाँ से ये लो तोड़ेगा तो मैं शॉर्ट जाऊँगा. The moment it breaks the low, I'll go short here, and what will be my stop loss? It will be above this candle. So my risk is defined. I know my risk. If it breaks, I'm wrong, then it goes up. But if I'm right, see the kind of money I'll make. This entire move I would have captured, and immediately I would have exited somewhere here, because I know that this is a, see this small level. This is a very powerful level. Why I'm saying that? Look at this wick. It dipped into this level and from there it moved up. So if this level is broken and the candle is piercing down to this level, I would definitely expect a bounce from this level, because RSI was also like little lower than 30. From there it bounced. So this gives you a clear picture. This is how you have to analyze market. मतलब daily basis में आप ये करते रहोगे ना प्राइस के साथ, आपको क्लियरली समझ में आएगा कि आप क्या कर रहे हो, और आपको आदत हो जाएगी कि आप कैंडल देख के बता सकते हो कि क्या होने वाला है मार्केट में। तो इसके साथ आप वॉल्यूम भी यूज़ कर सकते हो। वॉल्यूम यूज़ करोगे तो एक्यूरेसी बढ़ेगी, बट आजकल ग्रे पूल्स, डार्क पूल्स के वॉल्यूम के होते हैं जो एंड ऑफ द डे में जाके अपडेट होते हैं, तो इंट्रा डे में आपको वो वॉल्यूम्स दिखेंगे नहीं। सो which is again a drawback. मतलब it's not 100% accuracy you will get on adding volume, but you can make some sense. Now if you see for this day, what is your OI data saying? Let's check that. This is the date of 3rd August. This is 5th August. Okay, so 5th August, let's check what is the open interest saying. Let's check total call and put. Okay, so this is the date of 5th August, and if you see opening itself, the put open interest was high. So if you see it is going so high, you expect the market to go further high. Till what time? Till 1 o'clock. Let's see till 1 o'clock what happened. It opened up here. This is your 11:15. Okay. Ideally 11:15 onwards it's dropping. And this is your 1 o'clock. Right? 1 o'clock. So open interest of put is going high. That means put writing is happening high. If put writing is happening, then market should go in this way. But it is going this way. And later when the trend changed, call writing started picking up from here after 1 o'clock. Both came to a point where around 2:35 calls started picking up. Let's see 2:35. 2:30 calls started picking up. What do you expect? You expect the market to fall like this, but it started going up. So there is no real reliable source. No, you can't rely on the data only. Okay, you have to look at price action, and price action tells you clearly what is happening. These data are sometimes they are not complete, is what I feel. Something somewhere is missing. Some pools are not getting added. That's why your data is also manipulated, and it will not give you a clear picture. No matter how much people will fool you that data is the key, join my course, interpret this data, you will make money, it is not going to happen, because this is on real time. I'm showing you like what is the data saying. If it is a call writer or put writer who's driving the market, so if somebody is writing put and put volume is so high, the market should go up, but it didn't go up. Till 1 o'clock it kept on dropping, and when the call writing started happening, this went up. So which is a different sign which data is showing to you. So it's always better use the data as a reference point, but not the only point for you to conclude. So always use price action and zones wherever you see these kind of see, no matter how much volume they might be able to hide, but price will tell you the story. Because price they have to change, because if there is like 1 lakh volume is getting sold here, it may not reflect in volume, but the price will definitely show that symbol. This candle will form like this. You and me cannot make these kind of candles, and you and me will not be able to make these kind of candles. This is all institution, big money. At this level, somebody was sitting waiting for it to happen, and from there, boom, they started tuck buying, and then it went up. Next morning also they gave a good entry into this, and from there it stopped. So RSI is giving a divergence on a daily time frame. On a 15-minute time frame, it is still in a sideways mode. So if market doesn't do anything immediately, it can just drop into this zone and touch this zone, and stay in this spot. So this is how you should analyze the market. And I always try to teach you guys how to analyze on your own, and you can use this kind of techniques on any stock, any commodity, whichever you want to trade, and analyze. And you can do it for your portfolio stocks also, and see which is the one working for you. So last but not the least, I will give you which are the stocks which you can buy for investment this week. As the market is bullish, we will look at our weekly super trend strategy. So we have good Pidilite Industries 1, Ultratech Cement, and ICICI Prudential Life. And Nifty is also giving an entry. So these three stocks where you can invest: ICICI Prudential, Pidilite Industries, Ultratech Cement. So these things you can buy because these are giving a weekly breakout. If you want me to show you one, I can show you this. Let's see Pidilite. This is Pidilite Industries on a weekly time frame. And we have to use our indicator, which is super trend, and this is 14 and 3. Just a minute guys, I'll just upload my view. Okay, so this is Pidilite on a 3-minute time frame, and this is on a weekly time frame. So see the settings here, what I have: 14.3, high low 2, and moving averages, whatever we have. So here Pidilite is giving you an entry. Go long in Pidilite. Okay, and your stop loss will be this super trend, and keep trailing your super trend until and capture the full move. RSI is also giving you a good entry. So Pidilite is one, and the second one is ICICI Pru Life. And check ICICI Pru Life. Check in stocks. Is it giving an entry? Yes. Where is it bouncing from? It has bounced from 200 period moving average once, twice, third time, and it has given you an entry here. So ICICI Pro Life is one good entry for you to go long. RSI is also 60. Okay, similar way you can check for Ultratech Cement, and setting is 14 and 3. So I think that's it guys, that's it for this week. I have given you how to analyze the trend. I have given an analysis on Nifty today, and I've also given you stocks which you can invest for coming weeks basis our swing trading strategies. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, stay tuned, and अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाएं. थैंक यू सो मच.